Hello everyone, Monica here with a new video. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. For those of you that have been here before and are subscribed, thank you so much. And for those of you that maybe this is your first time stopping by or you're returning but you haven't subscribed, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. So I want to talk to you guys about a few items. We are gonna announce during this video the winners to the 1,000 subscribers giveaway. And I will announce y'all's names or handles later during this video. And I would also let you know how to reach out to me. Okay, so before we get into that, I do have an unboxing for you from Fashion File. And I also have a Coach item that I want to share with you guys. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is this item I got from Fashion File. It came in this box, so let's open it. Here's my handy dandy cloud shaped bags cutter. Okay, so here's the box opened, and as you can all see, it's from Fashion File. And this is just some stuffing, and this is what it looks like with the Fashion File stickers on it. And I'm gonna show you guys. So this is the item right here. They put it in a Fashion File dust bag. This item is something that I have been keeping an eye out for a while. I'm always looking for it on the pre-love market. And when I came across this, I was like, I can't believe it. When I finally saw it and I saw it at a good price, I was like, I can't believe it. Okay. So this is the item that I got. This is a Fendi mini peekaboo in shearling. Okay, I know it's crazy, but she's so cute because she's pink. Guys, she is pink shearling. She has got pink leather in the bottom and she's shearling all the way around. And she has silver hardware. Ah! And she is all leather. This is a very soft leather. I don't know what kind of leather it is, but it's a very, it feels like butter. Here is the little zipper pocket with the that would be the Fendi plaque right there, the silver thing. And I'm sure you're all familiar with the peekaboos. They have the same twist lock on the other side, so they both pretty much kind of open the same. It does have a crossbody strap that is attached here. It's got a little, just a pocket there. And again, the other side is also this soft, buttery feeling, what do you call it, leather. I believe this one was this one, I'm sorry if I'm touching my nose, guys. My allergies are killing me. So we have to get past August, and then September's gotta get here, and all this situation will be better, and hopefully the bugs are starting to migrate to the pits of hell. So I've been stalking this bag for a while, and I always have an eye out for it, like, you know, in like pre-loved websites and stuff. So I saw this bag in Fashion File a few months ago, and the condition was, I believe it was almost excellent, or like in the beginning of excellent, but it was like a outrageous amount of money, I thought. And this one was on the show's wear, but closer to excellent. And I don't see any issues with this bag, guys, other than this kind of caved in right here, which once I put my items inside, like it's not gonna do that, right? Because they have weight and it's not gonna, you know, it's gonna help it kind of go down like it's supposed to. But when I'm not using it, I plan to put air paper in it so that it kind of helps with the shape while it's not being used. I'm obsessed with this silver hardware. This is removable. This comes off right here, so you can remove the strap. This is my first peekaboo. I don't have any peekaboos. I almost bought one a few years ago, but it was the I don't know what the sizes are called. I know there's a mini. It's the one after this. I don't know if it's just a regular peekaboo or if it's a medium. I don't know what it is, but to me, it was too big. I wanted something small like this on a peekaboo. And as you'll know, if you just kind of leave it open that way, some peekaboos have like little monster eyes or whatever. So if you just leave them like that, that's peekaboo. That's what they're meant for, right? That's where the name came from. You have all the Fendi name right here. And let me see. This ring from the removable crossbody strap says Fendi. This hardware here says Fendi. I don't know if you all can make it out. I love this kind of hardware right here that goes across in my Monster to George bag. It also has this metal hardware here, and I like it because it makes like almost like a frame. And I just like the look of it. It just looks rich, right? It looks expensive. So I can't with this bag, guys. I can't. I am so glad I was able to find one at a good price and great condition. Guys, what? Let's see how this looks crossbody, okay? This is her crossbody. I haven't changed anything on here. I like this. It's like this is my waist right here. So this little strap or handle is right below my waist, and she starts like up my hip. Yeah, so this is actually a good length for me. Like I can put my hands in, no problem. Let's look at this being held like this, and then I can't see me wearing it crook of the arm. I would of course take this off and leave it home. Leave the strap home if I'm gonna be holding it like this. This is actually very comfortable to me, to have it like this, to have it like this. So adorable. Of course, I would take these off. If I was gonna just use it by the top handle, I would remove the crossbody strap. I would probably decorate it with some stuff, some of like my different things. What? Okay, now, okay. Let's address the elephant in the room. For those of you that have been watching my channel, you will know that I recently got the Coach Mira bag, and pink shearling. Now, I don't exactly know what this pink is, what it's called, but it's shearling. And you're all familiar with the Mira shape. It's like this little half moon thing going on, right? Adorable. It's got this cute little C right there. And now we have this. So I know, listen, it's a lot of pink, and I just said recently, I'm not gonna get any more pink. I have a lot of pink. Bunch of lies. Just lies. Lies. Okay, so listen. The pinks are different, okay? So don't come for me. Don't come for me. I mean, if you want to come for me, you can come for me. It's okay. But how can you say no to this? How can you resist? And it's two completely different pinks. Guys, this is not even next to this. This is not even looking pink anymore. This is looking more peachy, which, don't get me wrong, I like. Yeah, two completely different colors. The color of the leather, you see, is this more peachy, or is it just me? This has got more warm colors in it, and this has got cooler colors. This is a cooler pink, this is a cool pink, and this is a warm pink. So what else? If we compare the two straps, look at the colors. Different. They're different, completely different. So yeah, I feel like this is more peachy, warm pink, cooler pink. This is more bubblegum to me. So yeah, I just kind of wanted to show you between those two. If y'all want me to do a video what items I can put in each of these bags and see if what goes on here can fit in here and vice versa, let me know and I can do a video about that coming up. So we're done with this for now. Let's get into the next thing. Okay, for the next thing, we're gonna talk about the winners of the 1,000 subscribers giveaway. So I told you guys I love me some Coke. It's really good. No, it's not. It just tastes good. For the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, I had announced in a couple of videos prior that we were going to be doing a giveaway, and I told you all back then what to do during that one to enter. And what the giveaway is, I have 3 corner zip wristlets from the Coach outlet, and I have 2 leopards and 1 that is the pink plaid. So I have selected 3 winners, and I'm gonna read your names here, and I'm also gonna include your handles probably here somewhere and also in the description below. What you need to do is follow me on Instagram and send me a DM, and we'll take it from there. And I'm also gonna include my email address in this video somewhere for those of you that might not be on Instagram. Okay, so let me say who the winners are. The winners to the 1,000 subscribers giveaway are Lust for Lux V, Bessie May 555, and Ammon Deep Bueller 1942. I would include all your handles in here, and I'm also gonna include you below. So Lust for Lux V, Bessie May 555, and Amanda Bueller 1942. Congratulations. Thank you so much for entering. I read all of your comments and I had tons of fun reading all your comments and responding back to you. I hope I was able to respond back to everybody. Thank you all so much for participating. You guys are awesome. Thank you guys for following me in my channel. I mean, it's a great community. I think we have a lot of fun here. I do. I hope this offers a little bit of escape from everyday stuff. And I don't know how to thank you all for following me, for coming to the channel, for commenting, for sharing, for liking, or, you know, for those of you that are just kind of silent in the background. Like, I totally get it. For many years, I've been on YouTube. You know, I've had a YouTube account and I've been watching you guys for a long time, and I've never really said anything up until not too long ago, to be honest with you, is when I started commenting on people's. I was just kind of on the shy side, right? But I want to thank you all really from the bottom of my heart for helping me get there. And as the channel grows, we're going to be doing some more giveaways. And yeah, so thank you all so much for joining and for participating and for being part of the channel. So let's get into the next item. I want to show you all a Coach item that I got. I have an item from Coach, and this is from the Coach outlet that came in this whatever envelope. And these are the ones that I hate because anyways, I don't like this envelope. So I got this item because I came across it in the Coach outlet and I was just like, oh, that is so cute, right? And you all let me know what you think about it, okay? So this is what the item looks like. It is a charm, although kind of big for a charm, right? It says Coach. Guys, this is the little backpack. This is like the mini version of the men's backpack. How cute is that? Oh my goodness. I can't say the price. I'm gonna insert it if I find it. I'll send the price here. I'm thinking it was like $95, but don't quote me on that. Guys, look at this. Look at this. How do you open? Oh, it's magnetic. This is so cute. I just want to get the real size one for Patrick. Look at this thing. Look at it. It's so cute. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think this can be usable. I don't know. Maybe I can put my AirPods in there. Guys, look at the back of it. It's got the cushiony. It's got the padding, just like the real one. Ah! Look at the little pockets. Ah! What is going on? Look at the little pockets. Oh, oh. This is adorable. Guys, it's a key charm. It is a key charm. Have you guys seen this on the website? They also had a little tiny, like a little tiny tote bag. It's so cute. I almost got that one, but I didn't. I'm gonna try to insert a picture here if I find it. I have no idea when I'm gonna put this on, but this is so cute. I just had to have it. I have no clue what I'm gonna do with it. I may use it as a charm on my Empire 40 in the navy. I don't know. What do y'all think? Have you guys gotten any of these pieces? I think I saw this in like a neon green. That would be interesting. And yeah, so that's what I wanted to talk to you guys today. Thank you all so much for coming to my channel. Congratulations to the winners and congratulations to all of you. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel and for participating. It means the world to me. And yes, so thank you for coming to my channel. Like, share, comment. Don't forget to ring the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos. Don't forget to subscribe. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you all soon. Bye.